Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to this class. I hope you are doing great. In our last class, we have learnt about various desert animals and how do they survive in desert areas. And we were learning about mongooses. And in this class, let us know how these mongooses survive in the deserts and what is so special about them. Mongooses are actually famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. They don't get hurt, but they manage to kill an animal which is much longer than them. Alright? The reactions are so fast. As you can see here, the reaction is so fast that they can dodge each time. They can move quickly each time the snake strikes. Just watch it carefully. How it gets away from the snake's attack. It is in ultra slow motion and you can clearly see how it is tackling the snake without being hurt. That's a mongoose. The reactions are so fast and they can dodge each time the snake tries. It will avoid the snake every time it strikes. They continually make a nuisance of themselves until, after a while, when the snake gets tired, they quickly dive in for the kill. What do? They make a nuisance of themselves until the snake gets tired. Snake will be trying to bite this mongoose, and this mongoose quickly moves away each time the snake tries to strike. But what happens after some time? This long snake would get tired, and at the same time, the mongoose would quickly dive in for the kill. It then attacks. Let's move on and learn about another desert animal which is very famous. It is camel. Many people think about camels in different ways. What do they think? Camels have humps and they are full of water. They store water in their humps. That's what people think about camels. But today I am going to clear a lot of misconceptions about camels and their humps in this video class. So, and I am also going to tell you some things that you never know about camels. So, stay motivated and interested to listen all this. So there are two types of camels. Do you know that? Yes, dromedary camels and Bactrian camels. What is a dromedary camel? It has only one hump. It has a single hump and it is called dromedary. And Bactrian camel. What is a Bactrian camel? As you can see in the picture over there, it has two humps. There are camels which have one hump and there are camels which have two humps. The camels which have single hump are called dromedary camels and the camels which have two humps are called Bactrian camels. And how do camels survive in deserts? And are these humps helpful in any way in surviving? Let's know. Humps are full of fat. They are not filled with water. That's what we need to understand here. Camels have humps and they are not filled with water. They are full of fat. And these humps help the animal to survive in the desert. How? Because these humps are full of fat. Whenever there is no food for the camel, it melts all the fat and it gets energy from that. So this fat nourishes the camel when the food is scarce. That is how these humps are helpful for the camels to survive in the deserts. And the other ways in which they get adapted to this harsh conditions is their mouths are so tough. These camels' mouths are so tough that even the sharp thorn cannot pierce through. So that's about the camel. I hope you have enjoyed learning about mongooses, snakes, camels, and other strange insects like darkling beetles and gerbils. If you can, or if you are interested in drawing, I suggest you draw the pictures of all these different animals. Okay, bye bye.